welcome back to my channel. Today, I would say this morning, but technically it's not morning anymore. It is actually 12:28. So we'll just say brunch, I guess, because I'm in the mood for some breakfast. So, as you can see, I have a clear bowl. Y'all want to know what we're making? We're making some buttermilk waffles. So, the main ingredients that you will need, one of the ingredients I don't have, so I'm just winging it without it, but that ingredient is cornstarch. Other than that, you need salt, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla, sugar, eggs, flour, butter. And that's all. But for this particular recipe, I'm not using the regular flour. I'm using my own flour. I get this and we mill it until it's fine, and we just keep it in the container for up to 6 months, and when it's done with, then you throw it away. But I'm using soft white wheat flour for this recipe. If you want to use your own type of flour, like all-purpose flour, wheat flour, or any other types of flours that they have out there, you are more than welcome to. I'm doing this my way because I have to eat it. So soft white wheat, and just put it in here and mince it, I think it's called. I'm not positive. Easier. I did break down this recipe since it's just me eating it. So it should only call for 3 waffles. So we're basically hoping for the best. Diamond is barking. So right here we have 1 cup of flour. You will need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. And last but not least, a little salt. Then I added the sugar. I forgot to hit the record button, but you will need 1 1/2 tablespoons of sugar. Just stir that in a mix, 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 mix. So once your dry mix is done, set it to the side. You get 4 tablespoons of butter in here. You will need 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna add a little bit more. You will need 1/2 and 6 tablespoons of buttermilk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're pouring your wet mix over your dry mix. And then you're just whisking it. You're going to let this mixture rest until your waffle maker heats up. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that up. Now that your waffle maker is heated up and your batter is ready to go, you're just going to put it in your waffle maker. Make sure that you have your waffle maker pre-oiled. This is really, really hot. So I'm trying really hard not to burn myself. So you just pour. Y'all hear that sizzling? I don't want to put too much. in. Put in there and you turn it. The green light is on at the top. You guys can kind of see it lighting up. Now it's time to take it out. Well, look, green light is lit. You lift it up. Pull it down. And bam. You have a waffle. Okay, so we went ahead and make breakfast. If you have not, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also, follow my social medias. It's going to be popping up right here. Other than that, see you till next time. Peace.